Mealworm Macaroni? Chefs turn bugs into tasty dishes. By Washington Post, adapted by Newsla staff. Published January 7, 2020. Imagine this was on the menu for dinner tonight. Mealworm macaroni and tarantula tacos, with chocolate chip cricket cookies as dessert. You might think someone was pranking you. But eating insects and spiders is no joke. The Amazon rainforest in South America is burning. That's partly because of cattle farming and humans eating a lot of meat. People are clearing land to make room for farms. As awareness of climate change grows, many people are working hard to find solutions. The Earth is heating up. Scientists say it is because of greenhouse gases let into the air by humans. Greenhouse gases trap heat in the air, causing the Earth to warm. When we burn oil or gasoline, it releases carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas. Farm animals also release a greenhouse gas called methane. One way to cut pollution and reduce waste. Famous chefs know that one quick way to cut pollution, reduce waste and create a more sustainable future is to rethink what we eat. Sustainability is the ability of both nature and humans to survive, thrive and deal with change. In 2013, the United Nations reported that a bug-rich diet could help global health and sustainability. Sound gross? Bugs are actually tasty. Billions of humans have feasted on them. Today, more than a third of the global population regularly enjoys insects and arachnids, mainly spiders and scorpions, as food. This is what the experts say at Brooklyn Bugs in New York. The organization aims to change the way many Americans think of creepy crawly things on our plates. Redefining what we think of as food. We all need to redefine what we think of as food, says Joseph Yoon. He helps lead Brooklyn Bugs. Yoon has been traveling the nation encouraging students, educators and cafeteria staff to try edible insects. He is asking them to consider, with all the environmental and health benefits bugs bring, why we're not eating them already. Yoon says eating insects is like eating any other food. Because we're not used to preparing them or seeing them on menus, he says, many Americans may see bugs as disgusting. But when sampled in familiar, delicious dishes, views often change. There are more than 2,000 types of edible creatures identified. Flies, bees, spiders and caterpillars are just a few. They each have distinctive textures and flavors. But where do you start? Here, Yoon shares 3 popular bugs for kids. Crickets, like all insects, these great hoppers use far less water, feed in space than cattle and other larger sources of protein. Thanks to growing popularity, energy bars, chocolate balls, chips, pasta and more made from crickets are widely available. These buggers even come in cotton candy flavor. Mealworms. A mealworm is actually a beetle larva, or baby. Yucky as that may sound, they're yummy. What do they taste like? It depends on how they're prepared. When roasted or baked, they have a nutty flavor. The growers that live in farms say many people think mealworms taste like sunflower seeds, peanuts or pumpkin seeds. Black ants. These little guys' zesty, citrusy flavor is surprising. It's like popping a lemon hard candy in your mouth, says Yoon. Nutritionally powerful. Nutritionally, insects are powerful. They contain about the same amount of protein as beans, meat or fish per ounce. Protein makes us feel full and builds muscle. Bugs also have essential fatty acids, important fiber, not usually found in meat, and healthy vitamins and minerals. Not convinced to try a plate of fried dragonflies yet? Maybe consider this. Like shellfish, insects and arachnids are arthropods. So if you enjoy shrimp, crab or lobster, you're already eating their relatives from the sea. However, that means if you are allergic to shellfish, you could be allergic to some bugs, too. Seek your doctor's advice before eating any. For buggy recipes, check out the Brooklyn Bugs Instagram page. The Smithsonian series Bug Bites are an insect cookbook. As with any other food, be sure to get your bugs from well-known farms or providers. Don't grab them from your local park.
The end.